Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, install the Nginx, PHP and Maria database and other required packages with the following comments. Shlink uses Maria database as a database backend, so you will need to create a database and user. First, connect to Maria database using this command. Once connected, create a database and user. Next, flush the privileges and exit from the Maria database shell. Next, download the latest version of Shlink from their official downloaded page. Once the download is completed, unzip the downloaded file with the following command. Next, move the extracted directory to the Nginx web root. Set proper permission and ownership with the following command. Next, run the following command to start the installation. You will be asked to select the database, as shown. Just repeat my steps on this installation script. Next, you will need to create an Nginx virtual host file. You can create it with the following command. Add the following client. And don't forget to change the server name. Save and close the file, then verify the Nginx for any error. You should get the following output. Restart the Nginx service. You can also verify the status of Nginx. You can now install setup a Shlink client to short the URL. You can also generate the short URL on your server from the command line. To list all short URLs, run the following command. To display any help information, run this command. If you have any questions, leave them in comments.